Hi guys, it's Melinda from Enchantedbellaboutique. So, this is my first official video and I am going to show you how to make these very precious little newborn headbands. So as you can see, there are 4 different colors here and each of them has a rhinestone center minus this one, which has, I don't know if you can see it, it has a pearl center. So I actually pre-cut everything to make things a little bit easier. Not much to cut, pretty much a felt circle is what you need to cut. The best size to cut this is about 1¼ to 1½ inches. This is already, it already came like this. I didn't actually do these. And these are nylon elastic headbands. See how they roll out? This is actually going to be the side that you put on the child, and then what you're going to look for is the seams. For whatever reason, these hot pink ones, you can't really tell where the seam is. I don't know if you can see that. It's out of focus. Okay, well, it's just like a little line that's here. So what you want to do is you want to basically plop this on. I use a hot glue gun. It's just easier for me that way. So this is what I basically do. And I just take this and spread it out. And I put my little flower on it. It's pretty simple. It's not rocket science. You're just pressing it down hard to make sure that it stays. Then basically you're going to open up the center, and you have to really pretty much eye it out and see what works best for you. What my center may be, you may choose another center. So you just put a little drop, not too much, of hot glue, and then you're going to take this and you're going to press this down. Now I like to press this down as hard as possible and as much as possible, because a lot of the times excess glue comes out to the side, and when it is wet, when you pull it up, it's actually easier for you to take out the glue that way. Believe it or not, you have a lot more of a harder time trying to take out the glue once it hardens. Then you're going to flip it over. You can see how the double lines are there, and you're just gonna gotta roll away circle, and then you're just gonna plop it down. Basically, you could do one of 2 ways. You can do it like this, which, to be honest with you, I think that this is more messy doing it this way, and I really don't like to do it this way. And then you take it and you plop it down. Just, again, making sure that it's secure and you're pulling it down as hard as possible. And then I just like to lift it up a little bit and then glue spots that I didn't get. But you don't want to go straight to the edge, because what happens is that one, you get the stringies like I just did. I call them little spider webs, and I hate them. And the other thing is that you don't want the glue to go out to the side. So this is pretty much it. Pretty simple. And excuse me, this will actually work for people who are doing craft fairs. This is good for new moms who just, want to save money, because believe it or not, these things are really, really expensive depending on what store you go to. Higher end stores will have this for a lot higher, whereas sometimes little small boutiques will end up having them for a better price. But obviously your best bet is always to make them yourself. I do offer packages where you can make them yourself. I haven't quite come up with the amount that I'm putting together or the colors, but it's something that's in the works. But I wanted to do this first to see if any of you would actually be interested in doing this and purchasing them, and then go from there. So for craft vendors, pretty much buying one of these is great. It does come with these little pieces on the side. And then you just, that's it. It's the best way to display them. This was another one that I did a while back. This was a customer's. And her daughter wore it so much that she actually broke the headband because she wore it almost every day. It was those are the type of customers that you want. But this is just too cute. If you guys want to know how to make these, I can definitely show you as well, including how to wrap these headbands, because they do come just plastic. Again, I also sell these as well. They come in a pack of 12. I'm picking them up, and this is what they look like. And no one wants to wear this raw, so we pretty much do it as tight as possible, and we turn them into these. So I have them in all different colors. Using the same technique that I did, you can also do these type of headbands, which is just a little bit different because the elastic, this is called fold over elastic. These are awesome. And pretty much you can do them from newborns all the way to adults. They come in a whole bunch of different styles and colors and just everything under the sun. And again, you have the flowers that you can put right on. These are actually better because what I do is I do not try to really glue the backing to it because it's just so thick. So it works well. And these definitely do not come out. And again, putting the rhinestone pearls, you know, these are basically flat backs, believe it or not. And you put the pearls on or the rhinestones, and then you can actually do matching little sandals, foot sandals. Super cute matching set. I can also show you how to make these if you guys are interested. Either way, just let me know. I hope this helped. I mean, it was pretty simple. I just showed you one. I'll do another one just to show you again using a different back. Excuse me, a different rhinestone. And I kind of just ran out of glue. That would happen. Oh my Lord. Okay, sorry. These are the ones that I get. These are awesome. They're super long and they work. So as you can see, I actually started gluing them and look, it hardened. But that's not a big deal. So you're just going over it, putting this on, squeezing it on again, making sure that you take out these little stringies because they are the worst to deal with. And again, you saw how simple that was. I don't know if you caught that, but there was glue on this, and because it was still wet, it was easy for me to take off. That is why you try to remove any excess glue when it's still wet. Just be careful not to burn yourself because you definitely can burn yourself. Now with these, when you're pressing it down, more than likely you're going to get excess glue out on the side. See, you pick it up, comes on your finger, you just roll it, and that's it. That's the rhinestone center. And then again, doing the same thing on this backing. Now this is the way I like to do it. I really don't like to do it the first way that I showed you, just because you're just more than likely to burn yourself the other way. And you pick it up and you do it again. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty cut and dry. You know, again, this is great for baby showers. Like, amazing for baby showers. New moms, you know, whenever they can find the time to try to do some crafts to keep their sanity. Because I know I have a 20-year-old and it was hard to find time sometimes. But believe it or not, crafting is actually a source of therapy. For some. And an escape. So I think these are super cute. Like I said, you know, great for craft fairs and, you know, gifts and whatnot. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to message me or comment. I'm new to this whole video world and doing YouTube videos, and I'm not really too keen on doing these fancy videos and whatnot. I just believe that if you want to skim through everything, you can pretty much fast forward. But I hope that helped. I hope this was an easy project for you guys, especially being that it was the first time. And again, if you have any questions or want me to show you any additional stuff, I am more than happy to. And you can always ask me anything that you have in mind, because I do a lot of different types of crafts, especially being that I do own my own boutique. It's a children's boutique, and I do offer wholesale as well for hair accessories. So if you're a shop looking for some merchandise, by all means, contact me. Okay. My website is enchantedbellaboutique.com. I do not have a lot of this stuff up because I actually just closed the store, and I'm trying to do the transition between having a boutique and going online. So bear with me. But if, like I said, if you're interested in wholesale or anything, you can definitely let me know. Facebook and Instagram, it's under Enchanted Bella Boutique as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I have a simple motto, and that's pretty much to design, create, and inspire. So hopefully you guys will do the same and teach someone else. Hope you have a great day.